Welcome back to YouTube, lads and lasses. So I started to apologise for last couple of days, about last 4 or 5 days. I haven't really been posting much on my Instagram or my YouTube really, just stuff going on at home. Just worked a lot, got loads of things going on, but I don't want to make excuses, just yeah, it's just shit mate. Just doing shit really at home, so yeah, it's one of them. But no, just finished work, absolute horrible weather today. But tomorrow, because I was meant to see Jesse today, but that's got rearranged for tomorrow hopefully, so I'll be heading down up to Manchester to see Jesse do a review on his Type R EP3, so that should be good. But then hopefully if it's a bit late on the night, try and get a meet on, so for you guys in Manchester who don't really see, come down and meet me if you like. But yeah, can't really do anything today because the weather's absolutely horrible, but just gonna go home now and then I'll pick the camera back up again. Just got home, boys and girls, so I don't get any hated comments out there from the girls, because I know I get quite a few girls watch my YouTube channel as well. But no, well, I've took my car off the market because, well, I was getting a lot of people coming to look at it. It was going good, and there's people offering me money in that for it. But I was thinking, I don't want to get rid of it. I honestly don't. So I think I'm gonna keep that car, but still get my new car. And I don't know really. I'll see what happens next month to come, because my new car should be here in the next 2 weeks, so can't wait for that. I've been saying I won't drive it to work just in case it gets scratched or bumped into, but yeah, I'll be going everywhere. Because like when I first passed my driving test in my Corsa, well, not my Corsa, passed my driving test, but the same day I went to pick up that Corsa, what's on the drive now, but don't know what, 40,000 miles. Sorry, no, 35,000 miles in a year of doing what they're like nothing. It's crazy. Just imagine how much petrol money that is. It's crazy. But I just want to say a massive thank you to you guys for getting me to 1,000 subscribers. Honestly, 1,000 subs in what, 2 months is mind blowing for me, because when I saw Jesse, I said to him, even when we were speaking, I said to him like, I'll never get to that stage, like never, because what will make me get to that stage? But no, he said to me, just keep consistently posting and just be yourself, and I've done that and showed off really. But no guys, just want to say a big thank you to you guys, and I want to do a giveaway, so I'll upload this video today, but then I'll do my giveaway later on tonight, so you all can stay tuned, so you know I'm going to give it away. But yeah guys, just a massive thank you to you guys again. Yeah, and also boys, if you're interested in the Vape Maxis size 10, khaki green, just try and get in the light a bit. It's them, brand new. Honestly, put them on my feet for 2 minutes in the house as well, so not even worn properly. Same for £60. So if you want these, I'll get them posted to you. That's paid for postage, just 60 quid for these, size 10. Honestly, brand new. So bargain there, mate. Bargain if you want it. So let me know as well. I'll put in a picture as well so you can see it as well. Yes, lads and lasses. So to be honest, not much we really can do today other than just do the basics to get the car cleaned again. And I just picked up one of these oil filters again because I did change it, but there's something wrong with it, so that don't want to explain it really, just flipping do me head in really, it's oil filter, but gonna need to change it again. I'm not gonna do that today just because of the weather and it's freezing today, so I'll probably do that after Jesse, so when Thursday or Friday, it's one of them days. But I'm just gonna clean the car really. That's about it, and just announce the winner so you guys know. So yeah. Oh yeah, and boys, if you don't know, I haven't got no bonnet vents. That wasn't my decision, sorry. kind of went to Crems in Walsall for dessert with my mate Leo. Come back to my car, one bonnet vent was on, one bonnet vent was off, so it's funny fact was, it weren't the wind because I stuck them on that day as well, so the popper stuck on. Some tramp, took one off but left one on. So shout out to you mate, Belland. Made me angry today, but that's I just learned it, so next time I'm gonna get it done properly instead of stuck on ones. But yeah, they're off now. I don't mind them off anyway. It just doesn't really make a difference. So, but I need to get all this stuff off. Look, I need to get this off. But they're not. What do you use to get that off? God knows. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna clean my car. I'm not gonna show you guys because you've seen me clean my car about a dozen times. But yeah, but I'm gonna catch you back up in a bit when I clean my car. So. Yes, so boys, don't forget, if it goes pan tomorrow, we'll be seeing Jesse himself, so that should be a good video, so stay tuned for that one if it does work out, but I'll let you all guys know anyway in the day. But before I end this video now, just make sure you all subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be announcing the win at 9 PM tonight, so you don't want to miss out on the giveaway I'm giving away. So yeah boys, thank you again for the 1,000 subscribers, appreciate it all. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and peace.